Okay, today, why do I invest in houses? Look, it's real simple. Houses are what everyone needs, right? You have to live somewhere, either live in an apartment or you live in a condo or house. I like houses. Simple reason, they're simple. Everyone understands how they work. Everyone needs a place to live. Everyone understands that if you want to rent a house from me, it's pretty easy to do. And there's really not a lot, it's not very complicated. Also, I'm in Texas, which is considered a landlord state. So the laws in this state are geared towards protecting the land of the property owner. Now, that's not to say they throw the tenants under the bus, but it is helpful, right? So I buy houses for lots of reasons. One, like I said, they're easy to understand. Everyone understands the asset, everyone understands how to do it. But the second is because I can leverage my cash 5-to-1. You cannot do this in the stock market. You can technically buy puts and calls and buy on margin, but that's really risky. I only buy single family homes. Either lease them long-term, lease them short-term, like an Airbnb. I don't buy commercial, I don't buy apartments, I don't buy land. I just buy things that are simple, that pay me monthly. That's the easiest thing I can explain. If you do it right, they're gonna pay you monthly, and every year you're gonna end up with positive cash flow, and the property's gonna increase in value. Your tenant's gonna pay off your note, and you're gonna have some great tax benefits. I also have stocks and bonds. Don't get me wrong. That is something that everyone should also be doing. But if you have the extra cash, you should be buying an extra house. Just for rental and cash flow purposes only. If you wanna tell me I'm an idiot, you wanna tell me how to do it better, or you have other comments you wanna learn more from me, comment below. Love to hear from y'all.